Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to sell Framer websites. So, the very first thing that you should do here is you just have to open any of your web browser. That's right. And then using the search bar at the top, you just have to search for Framer. So I'm just going to open a new tab and then type out Framer. Okay, and you'll be able to see here now this first website. So all you have to do is to tap on this one. Okay, and then just wait for a couple of seconds. So, Framer is a site builder trusted by leading startups and Fortune 500 companies. So, here, you just have to tap on the start for free or start with AI. Okay, so to sign up for an account, you just have to tap on the start for free option. Okay, so after signing up, you will be directed to your workspace. Okay, so currently, this is my workspace. Okay, and here is a sample template from this website that I have tried. So yeah, you have here the option to create a new project. Okay, so first, Framer is a no-code website builder that will let you design and publish modern responsive websites faster. So you just have to think of it like designing in Figma, if you're familiar with Figma, but your design becomes a live website instantly. So that's the difference. Okay. And there are things, simple things you need to know before you can sell using Framer. Okay. So here, let's open a new project. So tap on the new project option. That's right. And then just wait for a couple of seconds. So, three simple things you can sell using Framer. For example, you're creating a business website. So, for small businesses like cafes, salons, or gyms, and for portfolio websites for creators, dancers, photographers, and etc. And for landing pages, for brands or products. So, you can start simple, even a one page website can already sell. So here are the templates that we can actually use. But since we are trying to sell a template, so we can use this as reference, what are the important elements that we should include when creating a template? So these are the examples for portfolio templates, for agencies, for businesses, and for resume. So see, for example, you have a business. So let's use this one as a reference. So I just have to tap on it. Okay, and then you just have to wait for a couple of seconds. And of course, before selling, you need to understand the basics. So, how to use templates, how to edit text and images, and how to publish inside. So, good news, you don't really need to master everything, just learn enough to create clean and simple website. Okay, so once you're here, as you can see, this is the desktop view, the tablet view, and the mobile view. So whatever kind of changes you do here, it will apply also to the rest of the views. So it is very important to check every element that you are going to add so that you'd be able to see if that specific element is also responsive to the mobile view or the tablet view. Okay, so this is the example. So as you can see right here, they have the main menu. Okay, so you have that. Then we have the text are clear. The background image is a perfect one for this website. So it will depend of what kind of business you have. So clients won't trust you without seeing your work. So you can create at least 2 to 3 samples website. So for example, a sample restaurant website, a personal portfolio, or a landing page. You can even redesign existing websites for practice. So for example, this one. So let's just use this template. For example, you would like to change the background image of this template. So you just have to tap on the image and then you just have to go here at your right side. So say for example, this is the image section. So when you tap on it, you have the choose image option. So tap on that one. Okay, and then you just have to upload your own image. So for example, I will be using this image. Okay, then tap on open. Okay, so you just have to wait for a couple of seconds after that. Okay, so as you can see, we have successfully changed the image. Next one is you can change, of course. We need to change the text here. Okay. So, for example, you want to change this one, sent by me. Okay, so something like that. So, of course, you can also um, you can even redesign existing websites for practice. So that is what we are doing right now. But of course, you can also create everything from scratch if you want to. So you just have to go here. Okay, so let's just go to our dashboard. And when you tap on the new project to the top right, so you have that right here. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. And then here you'd be able to see the blank page option. So all you have to do is to tap on this one. Okay, so you can build everything from scratch right here, from adding your own pages and adding your own layout, your own text, and etc. So once you go back here, for example, you have this button. Okay, so for this button, when someone tap on it, so you just have to go here and you can actually customize everything from here. So for example, this one, so you just have to go here at the right side and then you just have to customize that one. Now if you would like to add a URL, or you want to connect it to your other website, then you just have to go here and then you just have to paste the URL or select your page. Okay, so that's just how you do that. Next one is, as you can see right here at the left side, you also have this layers. So whatever kind of layers that you are going to choose, is you just have to put that under that specific layer. Okay, so now let's get clients. So here are the easiest ways and how you can get your clients. The first is you have to message small businesses on Facebook or Instagram. You can post your work on TikTok or Reels. You can offer your service in groups or communities. So for example, just a simple message like, "Hi, I noticed your business doesn't have a website yet. I create a modern website that help attract more customers, and I love to help." So that's how you do that. And as a beginner, do not overthink pricing. So you can start with $50 to $150 for a simple website, and then you can increase your price as you gain experience. And offer a promo price for your first few clients to build reviews, of course. And once you get your clients, you can ask what they need, like logo, text, images. You can build website and framer and send them in a preview. So always keep it simple and clean and fast delivery. Of course, that's happy clients. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.